Welcome to our channel in Unik Study. In previous video, we have explained about the types of chemical reaction, combination, decomposition, displacement. Now today, I will discuss about the oxidation reduction reaction. Let's see what is oxidation reaction. Fading of clothes, burning of cooking gas, wood, coal and rusting of iron articles, all types of oxidation reduction. Oxidation reaction, a chemical reaction which involve addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen, loss of electron. This is called oxidation reaction. Oxygen is added, hydrogen is removed and loss of electron. These three terms define the oxidation reaction. For example, magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Here a magnesium compound form when oxygen is added to magnesium. Here oxygen is adding. In the second example, H2S hydrogen sulfide plus Br2 bromine is equal to 2HBr plus S. Here hydrogen is removed and it's from S. Hydrogen is removed from S and it forms hydrogen bromide and sulfur. The removal of hydrogen. In third, Fe2 plus is equal to Fe3 plus E. Fe2 plus E already it has lost 2 electron. That's why it became positive. Now when H2 plus loss electron, it will become Fe3. So these three terms are defining the oxidation. Reduction reaction, a chemical reaction which involve addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen and gain of electron is called reduction reaction. For example, we can see in these three examples, see here sodium reacts with hydrogen and it forms sodium hydride, and here hydrogen is adding. Sodium reacts with hydrogen and hydrogen adding with sodium and forming sodium hydride. In this, CuO plus H2 is equal to Cu plus H2O. Here oxygen is removed from CuO and CuO converted into Cu and O combined with H2 and to form H2O. So here removal of oxygen is removed from copper oxide, and now in Fe3 plus E electron is equal to Fe2. Here gain of electron, 1 electron is gained by this Fe3 iron cation, gain 1 electron and that's why it converted into the Fe2 ions. So therefore this is the definition of reduction reaction. Actually reduction reaction में क्या होता है, हाइड्रोजन हटता है, हाइड्रोजन जुड़ता है, ऑक्सीजन हटता है और इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन होता है. Redox reaction, a chemical reaction in which oxidation reaction takes place simultaneously, साथ is called redox reaction. ऐसी reaction जिसमें oxidation and reduction reaction एक साथ चलती हों, simultaneously चल रही हों, ऐसी reaction को हम redox reaction कहते हैं. redox reaction oxidation reduction reaction का short form है. redox means oxidation reduction reaction. ये चीज हमें इस एग्जाम्पल से बिल्कुल क्लियर हो जाएगी कि ये जो CO2 plus H2 is equal to CO plus H2, this is a chemical equation and this chemical equation shows the example of redox reaction. So now let us see first CO2. CO2 is reduced in CO. Oxygen is removed from CO2 and CO2 reduced to CO. H2 is oxidized. This H2 is oxidized and to form H2O. So here CO2 is reduced in CO and H2 is oxidized in H2 because addition means adding of oxygen. H2 में ये जो H2 है, इस H2 में ऑक्सीजन जुड़ गया है, इसलिए इस H2 का ऑक्सीडेशन हो गया है. इसका ऑक्सीडेशन हो गया है H2 का, ऑक्सीडेशन होकर के पानी बन गया, वाटर. और यहाँ पे CO2 गैस का रिडक्शन हुआ है। रिडक्शन का मतलब ये हुआ है कि इस CO2 में से O हट गया है, रिमूव हो गया है, और CO2 रिड्यूस होकर के कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड गैस में चेंज हो गई है। तो इस केमिकल इक्वेशन में दोनों चीजें साथ साथ चल रही हैं, ऑक्सीडेशन भी और रिडक्शन भी। देयरफॉर इस केमिकल इक्वेशन को हम कहेंगे रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन। और इसमें एक चीज और है, ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट। इस H2 का जो ये H2 है, इस H2 को ऑक्सीजन किसने दिया? इस H2 को ऑक्सीजन इसके द्वारा दी गई है, CO2 का द्वारा। तो इसको H2 प्रोवाइड करने वाला CO2 है, इसलिए ये एजेंट होगा है ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट। दिस CO2 इज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट बिकॉज इट इज प्रोवाइडिंग ऑक्सीजन to H2. That's why it is oxidizing agent. Similarly, this CO2 is reduced. CO2 is reduced by H2. ये CO2 का रिडक्शन हुआ, CO2 में से एक O हट गया, तो इसको हटाने वाला H2 था, इसलिए ये H2 रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट हो गया। ये एजेंट रिड्यूसिंग हो गया है और ये एजेंट ऑक्सीडाइजिंग हो गया। तो इस ढंग से हमने देखा है कि जिसका रिडक्शन होता है, जिसका रिडक्शन होता है वो एजेंट ऑक्सीडाइजिंग होता है, और जिसका ऑक्सीडेशन होता है वो एजेंट रिड्यूसिंग होता है। नाउ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द ऑक्सीडेशन और रिडक्शन रिएक्शन। देयर आर सो मेनी एप्लीकेशन ऑफ द ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन इन डेली लाइफ, बट few of the example I will explain here. Formation of new compounds, for example, ethyl alcohol C2H5OH is converted into the aldehyde CH3CHO. This is oxidation reaction. Here hydrogen is removed, hydrogen is removing, and the compound alcohol is changing into aldehyde. And again we see that aldehyde can be changed into the alcohol by reduction reaction. Here oxygen is adding in aldehyde, oxygen is adding, and the new compound is forming alcohol. So this is reduction reaction. So how the new compounds are forming with the help of oxidation reduction reaction in the nature. Releasing of energy. We know that the plants form carbohydrate in their leaves, and we take foods, and that food converted into glucose, and glucose is oxidized, and after oxidation of glucose, carbon dioxide, water, and energy is released. So this is oxidation reaction when oxygen combine with the glucose molecule to form carbon dioxide, water, and energy. These are the some applications of the oxidation reduction reaction. There are so many other uses. Carbon is a reducing agent. When carbon react with ZnO, this is metal oxide react with carbon, and that is equal to Zn plus CO. What the carbon is acting here? That carbon is reducing is zinc oxide into zinc and carbon monoxide. So therefore in metallurgy there is use of carbon as a reducing agent. So we can see that how we can convert metal oxide into metal with the help of reduction reaction. These are the some applications. But at the same time we can see that there are some adverse effect and bad effect of oxidation reduction reaction, just like the corrosion, rancidity, and the pollutants in the atmosphere. These are the ill effect of the oxidation reduction reaction. वीडियो देखने के लिए आप सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक बटन प्रेस करना न भूलें। अगर आप नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके।